Hello viewers, if you are new to this channel, I'm Brian. I'm conducting a challenge on easy equities of swing trading stocks. That is buying stocks on the easy equities platform, trying to grow my amount to 100,000 in 3 years time. As you can see, my balance for now is 4,219.38. The balance has been like that since 22 February 2025. At least the reason is because the market was in a downtrend up to now. So I've been at most, it's now about 2 months of me waiting in the sidelines, waiting for the perfect condition, because my strategy is always buying stocks when they're actually trading up clearly, so that I want to lose minimum more money. And also, it's actually a strategy that I like with my own personality. As you can see, there are no holdings in my account. If I click here, you see I'm not holding any stock as of now. Right. That being said and done, let's go to the essence of this video. This video is to teach you the simple strategy that you can use to determine if the stocks it's now a good time to buy stocks. How do you find that it's now a good time to buy stocks? You find the market or the proxy, the QQQ that I used to represent the whole market, will actually show you that the potential trade has changed. I adopted this from the book by Brad Koteshwa, The Perfect Speculator. Right. As you can see, this is an except from the book, The Perfect Speculator. For him to determine the market trend, the author said you must have a zigzag line. If you start at point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, which is the reaction. If this point 2 is the point where the point 2 is broken, which is point 4 here, starting from point 4 going upwards, that is where you want to start looking for potential stocks. You need to look for potential stocks in individual trades, so that you start looking for trades to buy. Right. Let me go to the practical aspect so that you see what the author really tried to explain in the book in more simple terms. Right. As you can see, this is the QQQ chart, the chart that I use as a proxy for the whole market. On 19 February 2025, the high that was set was 540.81. That was the closing price on this QQ chart. And the stock made a lower low, which is 468.34 here on 11 March 2025. The market tried to rally, and it made a lower high here for 493.46. And also the market broke the previous low set, which made a low, which is 416.08. As you can see, this is a downtrend. On all this period, I was actually 100% in cash, because my strategy won't allow me to be in the market when the market is downtrend. It will not be a good time to buy stocks. As you can see, the market tried to rally up, and it made a lower high of 466, which is lower than this previous high set here. And the market rallied down, but it didn't break the low that was set here on it was set on 7 April 2025. This low was not broken by this low, the low of 433.10 that was set on 21 April. And as you can see, this low was not confirmed yet. It only got confirmed when this high of $466 was broken on 24 April 2025. Taking the analogy that Brad Koteshwa wrote in his book, The Perfect Stock, you can see if we make this point 1 and this point 2, this will be the point 3 when we had the reaction. Point 4 will come here when this high of 466 was broken here on 20 April. That was the point where it showed that there's a potential change in trend now. The market has potential now to start trending up as we were patiently waiting for this time to come. This low was confirmed here on 24 February when this high was broken on the closing price. When the market closed above it, it closed at 467.35. This was the confirmation to us so that we start looking for individual stock trade to participate on. We start looking for opportunities on individual stock trade after this confirmation was made. So for my strategy, in the coming weeks, I will be actively stocking individual stocks that I will need to invest in so that I'll start getting back or getting exposure to the market. So what does it tell us here? Here it tells me that you must understand your own strategy, the ins and out, when to be and when to not be in the market. As you can see, since 19 February to 24 April 2025, that is almost in 2 months. I was actually patiently waiting. I was out of the market. I was doing other things, not even interested in risking my head in the in the market because the market was not in favor of my strategy. Now, because the market told me that it's now wants to start to make to trend up. I've now have to start looking for individual stocks to participate in. As you can see, this is a simple concept that Brett Koteshwa wrote about many years ago in his book. It still applies up to date. You can still be able to determine the trend of the market using a simple zigzag line like what we showed here, this simple zigzag line. It's just a simple thing that can help you to determine the overall direction of the market. You don't have to have experts to tell you what the market is really doing. The price will tell you all that you need to know about the market. If you are interested, more in getting the video like this and getting simple explanation of the market like this, you can click or subscribe to this channel. uh, I shall get back next week with the update of my portfolio in this challenge, and also in telling you or showing you the individual stocks that I would have invested in if I get a low risk entry, and also I will be explaining the reason why I picked that those stocks, and also why and also the holding period that I will be intending to hold the stock. For now, I thank you for watching this video.